Hola amigos, today I'm going to show you how to make my vegan chorizo, and we're going to be using soy crumbles to replace the pork, which works perfectly. And all you're going to do is pour water over them, put them in the microwave to rehydrate, and while that's going, you're going to wipe clean the chiles, remove the stem and all of the seeds, then put them in a pot with onion and garlic and simmer until soft. And now the soy crumbles are ready. See how they've doubled in size and they're thicker and, well, rehydrated. So now what we want to do is want to squeeze out all the excess liquid from them, and we want to do this so that it can the soy can better absorb the marinade that we're going to be adding to it. So now we want to blend our boiled ingredients until soft, and then you're going to add all of the spices and blend again, and you're going to notice that the sauce, it's a bit thicker than normal sauce, and this is perfect. This is, see how thick it is? That's exactly what we want. And this is so that we don't have like a runny, like there's not excess liquid coming from the chorizo. And then you're gonna mix it well until everything is very well combined, see? And then you're gonna cover it and place it in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 1 hour, but preferably overnight so that it really develops that distinct chorizo flavor. More recipes to come. Stay tuned.